3, 2, 1.
MDS to,
We have ignition. We have a liftoff.
On August 20th, 1977, we sent a metallic envoy into the vast expanse of space, a compact vessel of aluminum, gold plating, and electronics, tipping the scales at around 722 kilograms. Propelled outward from our planet on an irreversible path, the twin Voyager spacecraft persist in their quiet voyage today, nearly half a century onward. They stand as the farthest artifacts humanity has ever dispatched, yet, for most, their saga concludes when they fall silent. Before delving into this epic timeline that dwarfs our own history, if the enigmas of the universe captivate you and you'd like to back this exploration, consider subscribing and enabling alerts. Let's venture into the boundless unknown side by side. A common misconception holds that once the nuclear power sources fade and the last transmission fades, the Voyager endeavor wraps up. This overlooks a profound reality. The loss of contact marks not an end, but the dawn of an eternal expedition. As their signals cease, these probes evolve from active explorers into timeless relics of our species, drifting through the void long after we've vanished. In this narrative, we'll skip the probe's storied past, no tales of gas giants like Jupiter or Uranus. Instead, we'll chart their prospective paths, projections for 40,000 years ahead, 200,000 years, and even 1 billion years into the future. What fate awaits a lone human creation adrift in the endless interstellar shadows? To grasp what's coming, consider their fragile now. The Voyagers are waning, not due to breakdowns, but dwindling energy. Their hearts are radioisotope thermoelectric generators, RTGs, plutonium-238 cores that decay, producing heat turned into power. Time erodes this output relentlessly, dropping by roughly 4 watts annually. Engineers at NASA have meticulously deactivated systems, from warmers to sensors to prolong functionality. But equations don't bend. By the early 2030s, even basic operations will falter. The craft will chill to cosmic frigidity, near absolute zero, enveloped in utter quiet. That's when they transform into spectral wanderers. First, dispel the notion that they've fully escaped our solar domain. Media touts their entry into interstellar space. Voyager 1 in 2012, Voyager 2 in 2018, crossing the heliopause, where solar winds yield to galactic forces. But gravitationally, they're still tethered. True departure requires traversing the Oort Cloud, a vast halo of frozen remnants encircling our system. It'll take them some 300 years to brush its inner fringe, followed by 30,000 years to pierce through entirely. Ponder this. Human progress from ancient art to modern tech spans under 15,000 years. These probes will endure twice that span, gliding through this icy frontier. Over those epochs, isolation reigns supreme. Collision odds are negligible. The cosmos is predominantly vacant. No dramatic asteroid smashes a weight. They'll cruise at about 17 kilometers per second, safeguarded by the void, unchanged save for microscopic scars from dust particles. Yet, stars shift. And here's the pivotal 40,000-year mark. Though not targeted at any star, their initial aim was planetary flybys. Celestial mechanics steer them onward. Scientists have mapped their routes amid the stellar dance. Voyager 1, the swifter sibling, won't linger in isolation. In 40,000 years, it'll skim near Gliese 445, a dim red dwarf in Camelopardalis. This isn't a pursuit. The star hurtles toward our vicinity. Near means 1.6 light years, immense by earthly measures, a whisper cosmically. Hypothetical observers there with advanced scopes might spot a tiny glint, but the probe, inert, offers no insights, pressing on toward the galaxy's core. Voyager 2, veering southward post-Neptune, eyes its own rendezvous, 1.7 light-years from Ross 248 in Andromeda, another red dwarf. Notably, in about 33,000 years, Ross 248 will briefly claim closest star status from Proxima Centauri, making Voyager 2's visit a timely cosmic coincidence. Post these brushes, darkness reclaims them. Time scales balloon beyond comprehension, measured in eons. At 296,000 years, Voyager 2 nears Sirius, 4 light-years away, the sky's luminary, a hot blue-white duo with a white dwarf partner. Envision our 1970s relic illuminated by this brilliance eons hence, while Earth might host evolved life or none at all, its lands reshaped. Ultimately, no galactic exodus. Their velocity, blistering for us, falls short of escape velocity. They'll loop in vast orbits around the Milky Way's central black hole, akin to planetary revolutions, but on a 225 to 250 million-year cycle. Like synthetic asteroids, they'll weave through gas nebulae, witness stellar life cycles. In 4 to 5 billion years, as Sol expands into a red giant, potentially devouring our world, the Voyagers endure afar, perhaps our sole enduring legacy. Central to this is their golden payload, etched copper discs, gold-coated as enduring archives. Etched covers bear pictographic guides, leveraging hydrogen's physics for playback, plus a pulsar-based galactic map pinpointing our origin. Critics like Hawking fretted over broadcasting our location to potential threats, but distances render it improbable. Really, it's a declaration of existence. The discs hold Earth's symphony. Storms, wildlife calls, human pulses, embraces, salutations in dozens of tongues from archaic to contemporary, melodies from classical masters, rock icons, folk traditions. Analog images depict our forms, societies, sustenance, bonds. In space's embrace, degradation crawls. Dust erosion might allow readability for 1 billion years or 5. Ironically, this outlasts Earth. Tectonics, solar fury erasing all traces here, while out there, symphonies and thoughts persist in gold, including a director's meditative brain scans on love and existence. Should extraterrestrials chance upon one, they'd uncover not menace, but craftsmanship. Decoded, no aggression, just a portrait of aspiration, artistry, curiosity from a modest world. These craft are our undying emissaries, ensuring our echo lingers if we fade. When signals stop, mourn not, celebrate their ascension from tools to galactic heirlooms. Planetary quests end, the guardianship of our essence endures. In 40,000 years, nearing Gliese 445, Voyager 1 embarks anew, carrying us into perpetual stellar twilight.